Hi, how are you guys? My name is Nisar Thakkar, and in this series of videos, I want to talk about data structures, specifically for people who are just starting their journey in learning computer science, and also for people who are programming for a while but never had a chance to learn it formally. So, I want to discuss what are different data structures and why you use one versus the other, what are the trade-offs, and what are the difference between the data structure and the abstraction. So, let's get it started. Data structures are just the different ways of structuring the data. So data structures are one of the foundational block of computer science. If you ever want to have a tech interview or anything, the whole interview is going to revolve around data structure and algorithm. So it is absolutely essential that you understand them well. So the data structures that we are going to talk about are as follow. One first and foremost is array, very basic and fundamental data structure. Then there is a linked list. Third that we're gonna discuss are trees. Fourth is gonna be hash map, and fifth is graph. So there are so many interview questions where you have to do some kind of array transformation. When you talk about trees, recursion is very much used when you solve tech interviews that include tree data structures. So you need to have some knowledge of how recursion works, and we are going to cover that. So these are the foundational data structure. And other, like if you have ever heard of stack, queue, set, map, these are all abstraction, but the underlying layer is this data structure. So stack can be implemented using array. Set is implemented using tree in C++. So we are gonna see what are the differences between them. So the reason you want to use the correct data structure is because you want to make the process of solving your problem, it's also called algorithm, as efficient as you can. So if you use the right data structure, that algorithm can be faster. Like during 1950s, everything was stored in arrays. There were no other data structures used. So it was very much difficult to program, unlike today where it's getting easier and easier because of the abstractions we use. But you will see that no matter whatever the data structure is used, ultimately computer has a rectangle block of memory. Inside that there are smaller rectangles with addresses. So no matter, as we mentioned, if you use a tree or maybe dictionary is a hash map, as we mentioned, everything is stored like that, but we abstract it away to make it more easier for us to understand. So abstractions are going to be a big part of your computer science journey. And some of you might be thinking that why efficiency really matters. Now we have these computers that are so much faster computationally, that why we need to make our algorithm efficient. So the counter argument to that is that data is also growing the same in the same quantity as the computational power is growing. It is not uncommon to have like 1 billion data points in today's time. So just like very simple example, let's say one algorithm uses one data structure and it works in O of n time, versus the another takes O of n square time, where n is the number of data point, right? Data point. So if you have n equal to 10, let's say one data point takes 1 second. So this is going to take 10 seconds versus this is going to take 100 seconds, which is almost 2 minutes. So if even if the data is so small, the difference is huge. So imagine if you have like a 1 million or 1 billion data point, how long it's going to take. Having an efficient algorithm is really important, and basically it comes down to if you are using the right data structure or not. So that's why, like, yes, we have these computers that are super fast, but the data size has increased tremendously, so efficient algorithms make a big difference. All right, guys, so thank you so much for watching, and I would really appreciate if you can subscribe so you can get the notification when I upload my next video. So thank you so much for watching and stay safe. Thanks.